Alright, man, I'm stuck at Kelly Flats because my Jeep kind of messed up on me. So I'm waiting for AAA to come, and I called them like at 4. Then I had to call them again to tell them where I'm going to be. I'm in the mountains. No cell phone service at all. I got food, water, and all that stuff. And if you look around me, this is where I am. I gotta wait. I have no cell phone service at all. So I had to go to some people's houses and I had to make a phone call and tell the operator. So I would say it's been a good 2 hours. I'm just kind of waiting on AAA, and I'm in Ft.Collins, Colorado. It's been a great camping weekend, but this crap happens and stuff happens. I just have to accept that. Not a life, that stuff does happen. So anyways, I'm here, and it's like 7 p.m. So, see what happens, man. All right, bye.